Welcome everybody to Krusty Land. We apologize for that delay, but please keep your hands inside of the vehicles at all times. Touching the hooded doors will cause your ride to stop, and let's make sure cell phones and cameras are turned off in a way. Recording of any kind is not permitted on the attraction.
We already have a delay.
I know, it's crazy.
I've taken over every area of the park. There's no place you'll be safe from me. And now, enjoy a ride that's about to be demolished while you're riding it.
A roller coaster!
I'm scared, Dad!
Sweetie, that won't kill you in an amusement park as long as you have a dime left in your pocket.
There's nothing you can do. You're about to die.
That's action!
Hey, I can see our car! You guys haven't seen a giant steel blow, have you?
Watch out!
Here comes our magical journey
Kitty ride. At least we're safe.
Panda begs to differ. You shut up! Say we. To be fair, a piece of advice. Resist every temptation I place in front of you. Oh, beer!
It's a temptation.
Did beer hurt anybody? Uh-oh.
Uh-huh.